Hey guys, just a quick video on sending mass emails. Once you are in your smart CRM, you can actually do searches, whether you've already have them done or you want to go ahead and use the filters to filter out by hashtag, buyer, seller, anything like that. We can do sort all sorts of ways. You can save them. Once you do that, you get the list of the exact people you want. So maybe they were past imports or clients or whatever list it may be. If you come up here, you can select all. When you do that, there's a ton of stuff we can do. If you come over here to more actions, you can see you can add a new hashtag to everybody. You can do all sorts of crazy things. But here, you can mass email and mass text. Or if you have the core video, you can send a mass video message. So lots of ways that you can send out mass texts or anything like that. It is coming from the smart number, just so you know, but they're in your system. If they have a valid cell phone, that means it's smart, it's attached to you. So that is a way. Use this filters, set up searches, find exactly who you want, and there's a lot of stuff you can do, but these are also where you can mass email, mass text. I believe to mass email, you may have to fill out that form if you haven't already. But there you go. You can do all sorts of fun stuff. Hope that helps. Bye.